The world awakens, a vibrant tapestry woven by the changing seasons. Each unfolds like a captivating story, whispered on the breeze and sung by the chorus of life. Welcome to Seasonal Rhapsody, where we embark on a mystical journey to unveil the secrets behind the scenes. Join Hyver Mystique as we explore the wonders that each season brings. Spring whispers its arrival. Today, on our premiere episode of Seasonal Rhapsody, we become nature's detectives, cracking the code of these 7 exciting signs that announce this magical transformation. Let's start with the first sign, a symphony for the senses. Our senses are the first to greet spring's arrival. The landscape erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, as flowers like daffodils, tulips, and cherry blossoms burst into bloom. Their sweet fragrance fills the air, a fragrant welcome to the warmer days. Meanwhile, birdsong fills the sky, a joyous melody sung by returning migrants. From the melodic calls of finches to the rich melodies of robins, these feathered friends serenade us, announcing the arrival of spring with every note. Moving on, the second sign, nature's grand metamorphosis. Witness the magic as nature undergoes a grand metamorphosis. Trees, once bare and dormant, shed their winter coats and transform into vibrant green giants. Tiny buds, nestled amongst the branches, burst forth with life, unfurling into delicate leaves. This miraculous process not only creates a breathtaking visual display, but also acts as nature's air purifier. As these new leaves absorb CO2 and release oxygen, spring becomes a breath of fresh air in more ways than one. The third sign, a celebration of new beginnings. Spring is a time for new beginnings, filled with heart-melting moments. Witness the miracle of life as baby animals take their first tentative steps into the world. Fawns, soft and spotted, peek out from behind ferns, their gentle bleats echoing through the forest. Watch ducklings bobbing along in a line behind their mother, learning to navigate the world on tiny webbed feet. Even the plant world celebrates. Tiny green shoots push through the earth, new buds unfurl on branches, all signs of a season bursting with growth and renewal. Next up, the fourth sign, welcome back, migrators. Spring is a joyous homecoming for migratory animals. The sky comes alive with the iconic V formation of geese honking their way back north. In rivers and streams, salmon fight their way upstream in a determined journey to reach their spawning grounds. This large-scale migration is a remarkable natural phenomenon, showcasing the incredible adaptations and perseverance of these animal travelers. Their return signifies the abundance of food and resources that spring brings, ensuring the continuation of the ecological cycle. The fifth sign, raindrops and rhapsody. Spring shower serenade. Spring's arrival isn't always marked by just sunshine and clear skies. Gentle spring showers, sometimes accompanied by playful rainbows, are another sign of the season. These showers are more than just a refreshing drink for the thirsty earth. They act as a cleansing wash, whisking away the remnants of winter's debris and leaving behind a sparkling canvas. As the rain clears, shafts of sunlight break through the clouds, creating a breathtaking display of rainbows that arch majestically across the sky. This marks the beginning of a vibrant awakening symphony. The rain triggers a burst of floral activity, as flowers awaken from their winter slumber and unfurl their vibrant blooms. The landscape explodes with color, a fragrant spectacle that beckons out essential pollinators like bees and butterflies. The sixth sign, a dazzling display, fluttering wings take flight. Spring awakens a dazzling display not just of sound, but of vibrant color as well. Butterflies, with wings like stained glass, emerge from their chrysalis slumber. They join the bees in a breathtaking display of life, fluttering from flower to flower, adding bursts of color to the landscape. These delicate creatures are more than just beautiful additions to the scene. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem, as they flit from bloom to bloom, dusting themselves with pollen. They ensure the successful reproduction of plants. Their presence is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature, where every creature plays a vital part. Witness the silent ballet as butterflies, with their graceful movements, and bees, with their industrious buzz, work together to paint the landscape with vibrant hues and ensure a bountiful harvest. Moving on to the last sign, longer days, warmer nights. an invitation to explore. Spring's arrival isn't just a change for the natural world, it's an invitation for us to step outside and embrace the season's beauty. With longer days bathed in warm sunlight and nights that shed their winter chill, spring beckons us to explore the world anew. Take a walk in the park and witness the explosion of color. Hike through a forest and listen to the symphony of birdsong. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze in your hair. Spring is a time to reconnect with nature and experience the joy of renewal. Let's have a quick recap of the 7 signs of spring that you can't miss. First, the symphony of birdsong awakens our senses. Then, nature undergoes a grand metamorphosis as flowers erupt in vibrant colors. Witnessing baby animals taking their first steps reminds us of spring's celebration of new beginnings. We also see the joyous homecoming of migratory animals, a true welcome back to the season. Don't forget the gentle spring rains that nourish the earth, a vital part of nature's rhapsody. And of course, spring wouldn't be complete without the dazzling displays of flowers and longer, warmer nights. As spring's vibrant performance reaches its final act, whispers of its magic linger. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you, a delicate dance, a blooming bud, a symphony of birdsong. These are the secrets of spring's language, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the ongoing cycle of renewal in our world. Spring may be fleeting, but the wonder it brings stays with us all year long. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of spring. Subscribe for more seasonal adventures with Hyver's Mystique.